Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, still Saturday, July the 24th, 2021. In this additional, this Saturday edition, the additional is the same additional as yesterday's newspaper on Friday. So Friday I have not done all the puzzles. I believe I have not done the binary puzzle, so this binary puzzle is the same as yesterday's newspaper and I have not done this. So let me continue with the binary puzzle, and this will be number 3146. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Okay. And now, do I need to compare? That's the question. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones in the second column, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great binary. Without any comparing. So you can make this or solve this. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, until then, bye bye for now.